Alright, so with the decline in the stock market over the past month, is it time to buy Singapore REITs? In this video, I go through the performance of Singapore office REITs to see how they have fared, and from there we can potentially pick out those that are undervalued. First, let's cover the broader Singapore market performance. The S-REIT index fell 36% from its peak in late February to a trough on 23rd March, and this compares with a 31% drop for the S&P500 index. With the broad market index performance in mind, now let's go through the Singapore office REIT performance one by one, starting with the REIT that had the highest decline to the one with the smallest decline. So this is the full list of REITs that I'm going to cover, starting from IREIT Global all the way to CapitaLand Commercial Trust. So let's take a look at IREIT Global. The share price actually rose quite a lot from 50 cents all the way to about 85 cents, but that was the peak. And it fell about 53% down to 42 cents at its trough. The second worst performing REIT is Keppel Pacific Oak US REIT, or Keppel US REIT for short. It started IPO pretty okay at 70 cents and troughed at around 45 cents, but since then there was a sharp climb all the way to around 80 cents. But since then, because of the wider stock market sell, the price has fallen to around 40 cents or a 50% decline. The next REIT that I'm covering is Prime US REIT, a relative newcomer to the stock market. The price has fallen from a peak of around $1.04 to around 53 cents lately, or a 49% decline. Following that, we also have a US focused REIT in the form of Manulife US REIT, the oldest US focused REIT on the stock market. The price has fallen around 47% from US $1.05 to 56 cents lately. OUE Commercial REIT has also seen its share price fall by around 46% from 56 cents to 30 cents lately, which is really a historical low. Next in line is Frasers Commercial Trust, which has seen its share price fall by around 42%, down from $1.71 to just below $1 at 99 cents. Following that, we have Keppel REIT with a 37% decline from $1.27 to 80 cents. Next in line, we have Elite Commercial REIT, which has seen a 34% decline in its share price from 74 to 49 British cents. Next in line is Suntec REIT, and its share price has fallen by 34% from $1.78 to $1.17. And finally, we have one of the biggest REIT on the Singapore stock market, which is CapitaLand Commercial Trust. Its share price has fallen from around $2.05 to $1.45, or a 29% decline. So here's the full list of the office REITs that I've covered today. The worst decliner is IREIT Global, and the best, in terms of the smallest decline, will be CapitaLand Commercial Trust.